Did you know that scientists estimate that 100 to 10,000 species of plants and animals ranging in sizes go extinct each year? This is 100 to 1,000 times faster than the natural rates of extinction recorded in the past. Hey there, my name is Mack and I'm a conservation and sustainability undergrad at USM. In this video, we'll break down what conservation is, why it's important, and how you can make a difference. Let's begin with the definition. Britannica states that conservation is the study of the Earth's biological diversity, the preservation of that diversity, and biodiversity loss prevention to protect all of life's natural resources. So to help those plants and animals mentioned before, conservationists work year-round, monitoring habitats, conducting research, and implementing strategies to protect endangered species, restore ecosystems, and mitigate effects of climate change. Conservation can be broken down into two main types: in situ conservation and ex situ conservation. In situ conservation focuses on habitats, species, and ecosystems where they naturally occur. It's a type of on-site conservation in a natural environment, such as a national park, biosphere reserves, parks, and sanctuaries. One example of this is seen with the Mississippi Department Wildlife, Fisheries, and Parks research on the endangered American black bear. Ex situ conservation is conserving the elements of biodiversity outside of their natural environment. This off-site conservation type is executed in places like zoos, aquariums, or seed banks. One example of this conservation type is seen with the head-starting initiatives of the spoon-billed piper by Windfowl and Wetland Trust. You may be wondering, what is the importance of saving these natural resources? A simple answer would be because it's the right thing to do. But I know you want something deeper than that. Let's start by discussing the main threats to biodiversity today. There's habitat loss, overexploitation, invasive species, pollution, and climate change. Let's look into it. Habitat loss. The well-known and beloved Amazon rainforest faces deforestation. Many would think it's for the many types of wood types that can be found in the ecosystem. But what if I told you it's mainly due to beef production? Overexploitation of resources is removing organisms from their environments at a faster rate than which they can replenish. It is harmful to ecosystems. One famous example is seen with the poaching of elephants for ivory trade. Invasive species. The prevalent red imported fire ant is a pest that causes you and your animals harm. They also interfere with the soil and crop production. This invasive species alters environments literally from the ground up. Pollution. Pollution is found in many places, from the air to the water and soil, and these factors greatly affect the world we live in. One example seen today is in marine plastic pollution, which harms at least 267 species. Studies show that pollution has caused more than 430 species to be listed under the Endangered Species Act. Climate change. This is a natural occurrence, but it is also human-driven. Rising global temperatures have been seen to increase at greater rates than previous decades. This becomes a great threat to us and other organisms because of environmental stressors such as pests, droughts and floods, sea level rise, and much more. In all of these issues mentioned, conservation can help solve the problem. Invasive species are best kept out of our nation by strict regulations on trade and transportation. Law enforcement works to defend against pollution, and so do scientists. Tests will be conducted and data will be collected to figure out how to optimize human welfare and ecosystems. Other methods are implemented, like head starting, as mentioned before. This allows animals to be raised in captivity, then released in their natural environment to improve population. Laws and agreements have also been made to alleviate some of the hardships, such as the 2015 International Treaty, the Paris Agreement. It aims to push countries to reduce global greenhouse gas emissions and to take on climate change initiatives. This isn't only for the care of the environment, but also for you. By having clean air, water, and soil, our food, drinking water, air, and medicines are supported by healthy ecosystems, which better prevent the spread of diseases. Thanks to the help of conservationists, environmentalists, scientists, and foresters, our ecosystems are being deeply cared for, not only by professionals, but also by students, families, and other nature lovers. There are so many simple actions that can get you involved in conservation in your area today. You grew up learning to turn off the lights in a room you aren't using, and to turn off your water while you're brushing your teeth. Now, you focus on using sustainable products and reducing waste, but you want to do more. then go reach out. Volunteer or join conservation projects by looking on Facebook groups, ads, or just around your community. It's so easy to walk up to a business and ask if they need help for the day. Look into shelters and any nonprofit organization which always need your assistance. The key is to always stay learning and aware of the world around us and how to make it better. Just by watching this video, you have expanded your knowledge, so good job. Share what you learn and raise awareness for the earth. With time, these issues discussed before will alleviate and our future generations will have something to work with. If you found this helpful, share this video with somebody who wants to learn more about conservation. Let's make a difference together. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.